Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry this video is a little late. My husband and I were in Vegas for like 5 days and came home sick. So I'm still getting over a sinus thing here, so hope you don't mind my voice too much. So right here I have the bargain bead box for the month of April, and it's called Stirring Earth. As spring begins, the browns and grays of winter come alive with growing green. This month's collection features rich, earthy tones inspired by nature's treasures. Highlights include ancient, I can never pronounce this, dye style, agate, silver leaf jasper, and ocean jasper gemstone beads. Green agate, handmade porcelain, and crystal accents add a pop of color and sparkle, while hammered style bronze findings complete the package. So then they sent me, they had this shipment identification key, and then I got an email saying that this was wrong, so they sent me the new one. So I put an X in this, so I didn't read off of this. And then it says, take 30% off your order at our sister store, Bead Box Bargains. Shop our selection of beads and findings online at their website. And don't forget to use the exclusive coupon code 30SE, valid through May 31st, 2022. So that's all this right here. So let's open up this beauty and we'll get started. Okay, so let's see what we have here. I have not peeked at all. Pretty green bag. I haven't been in my bead room in almost 2 weeks, and I'm going through withdrawals here. So, okay, so we have some antique bronze here. Let's see really pretty. Okay, let me get set up. Okay, so I'm all organized. So here we start off with 1 meter of 4x3 millimeter textured steel jewelry chain. Oh, this is really pretty. I like the, I love the texture on it. It's very pretty. And this is long. This is a whole meter of chain. I mean, you could do a lot with this. This can go a long way, this chain. And number 2 is 10 pieces of 15 by 10 millimeter nickel-free brass leverback earring findings. These are nice. I don't usually use leverback, but I definitely will take them. I like changing things up a lot, you know. I like to mix metals. I like to do, you know, I don't like anything that looks the same all the time. Yeah, these are really nice. Number 3 is 8 pieces of 15 millimeter hammered style links. Lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. These are really nice. Oh, I love these as connectors in jewelry. I definitely use these a lot with my pieces. They're nice, and they're the same on both sides. Very nice. And number 4 is approximately 13-inch strand of 4 millimeter crystal bicone beads in peach shimmer. Ooh, love me some peach shimmer. I will say I'm so glad to be home, feeling better, and back in my bead room. I have so much to do. I'm going to be making a ton of videos, so I hope you are ready. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you need to subscribe and stay tuned because there's lots to come. Yeah, these are really pretty. I really like these a lot. And number 5 is 6 pieces of 15 by 6 millimeter curved hammer style double strand links. Oh, these are kind of nice. These are new. I've never seen these before. This is the other side. See how there's the 2 holes? Oh, really nice. I like these. These could be, I've got some really cool ideas for these. Yeah, I really like these. Very different. And number 6 is 2 sets of 31mm double strand toggle clasps. Oh, these are nice. Very nice. Double strand again. Oh, I have some really cool ideas for these. I think after not making jewelry for 2 weeks, I'm going through withdrawals here. So yeah, I really like these. And you don't even have to use these as toggle clasps. These, of course, I'm thinking of other things they can be used as. We shall see. Number 7 is 10 pieces of 10mm hammered style coin spacer beads. Oh, these are really nice. There's the hole right there. Same on both sides. I really love this month's box. I really do. I know there's a lot of metal in it, but you know, it's kind of nice because sometimes there's more metal, sometimes there's less. And you know, you can, if you don't use it all, you have it for your stash. You can't go wrong with it, you know. Yeah, these are really pretty. And number 8 is approximately 15-inch strand of 6mm green striated agate beads. They're dyed and heated. Oh, these are pretty. Very pretty. Oh, I love these. I'm thinking, I'm already looking at the box. I know you guys haven't seen it, but I'm thinking I'm going to add one more color to this box. I'm not sure yet. I will see once I start playing around with everything. This is really pretty. It's a nice long piece too. And number 9 is 10 grams of 20mm 22 gauge steel eye pins. These are nice. You can never have too many eye pins. Even if you don't use them with this, they're perfect for the stash. I definitely use a lot of these when I'm doing connector necklaces and all that kind of stuff. So yes, definitely good. And number 10 is a 20-piece strand of 8x7mm matte striped crystal bicone beads in Slate Shimmer. Oh, these are pretty. I think we've had these before, but in just bigger. Very pretty. I love the shimmer on these. Very well made too. I'm never disappointed with Bargain Bead Box. Just that one time I wasn't a fan of the rose gold, but he made it work. Mixed it with some other metals and made it work, but I really like this month's box. It's really pretty. Okay, and number 11 is 2-piece 13x11mm die style agate barrel beads dyed and heat treated. Oh, these are pretty. Very pretty. There's the holes right there. These would make a cute pair of earrings. Really like these. Very well made. Number 12 is 2-piece 32x26 hammer style round pendant. So this is one side and this is the other. Actually, this is really pretty too. You could use both sides if you want. Might actually do that just to mix it up a little bit. That's got a really cool, yeah, I mean, when you see it's pretty much down the center right there. So it could go either way. Be a little concave here. Very pretty. And number 13 is 4-piece approximately 15x8mm hand porcelain oval beads in antique green. Oh, very pretty. Yeah, we've had these in barrel beads before in the past months. I like these. Very pretty. I love the textured print on them. I don't know if you could see it in the camera. Very pretty. And number 14 is the 2-piece 28x30mm die style agate focal beads dyed and heat treated. Oh, these are really pretty. These would make some really cool boho earrings. I'm really loving this. It's a really nice box this month. I mean, for the price, you cannot beat it. These are really pretty. And number 15, approximately 7.5 inch strand of 8mm silver leaf Jasper gemstone beads. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I'm actually thinking the color I might add to this might be a really light, like a seafoam green. That's what I'm kind of getting with this box, like, because there's a lot of deep greens and you know, like this. And I'm thinking of maybe just adding a little bit of like a seafoam green, or then there's my turquoise blue that I always add to everything. I seem to throw that into everything. I don't know, that's just like my color. But yeah, these are really pretty. Really happy with these. And number 16 is approximately 7-inch strand of 10mm ocean jasper gemstone beads. Oh, they're so pretty. I love this. I love the texture. I love Jasper. I think that's one of my favorite gemstones. It's not overly expensive either. But I love, you know, the texture of them and the different ones. The ocean jasper, picture jasper is very pretty too. Yeah, this is very pretty. It's a nice strand of beads. Number 17 is approximately 7-inch strand of 8x6mm crystal rondelle beads in cappuccino shimmer. Oh, very pretty. You see how that? Very, very pretty. I love the shimmery faceted beads with rustic beads. I love mixing textures and metals, and you know, there's really no rules when it comes to jewelry and making things. You just kind of, you know, I like, you know, that you can just put anything together and it can look good, just as long as the colors match. And sometimes they don't have to match and they can still look good. You know, it just depends on what you're making and your style. And yeah, these are really pretty. Really happy with these. Number 18 is 18-piece 6x4mm crystal faceted oval beads in multi-green shimmer. Oh, these are pretty. You see that shimmer going on? I'm trying to move it around. Yeah, these are really pretty. Oh, these are gorgeous. So dainty. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. And last but not least, 10-piece strand of 11x8mm faceted glass barrel beads in forest green. These are beautiful. Oh, they're so rich looking. I'm looking down at my hand through my camera, and they almost look kind of almost blackish. They're very rich looking. I don't know if the camera can pick up all the colors in this. Yeah, I'm just trying to move it around so you can see. Oh, these are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I am really happy with this month's bead box. Very happy. Yeah, I can't wait to get going with this. So, hopefully in my next video, I'm going to sound a little better. Every day I'm getting better, so we'll see how this goes. So thanks everybody for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it, and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments if you get the bargain bead box and what you thought of this month's box. And you can follow me on my links below, Etsy, where I sell most of my jewelry that I make, Facebook and Instagram. So they're all down there, and I will leave a link to Bargain Bead Box as well. So thank you everybody for watching this, and I will see you soon on my next video. You have a great day.